The loose fuel cap warning in your Nissan is part of a sophisticated emission control system designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The Evaporative Emission Control System, or EVAP, serves three critical functions: preventing fuel vapors from escaping to the atmosphere, reducing harmful emissions, and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. The EVAP system consists of five main components working together. The fuel tank stores gasoline, the charcoal canister captures vapors, the purge valve controls vapor flow to the engine, the vent valve manages tank pressure, and the fuel cap creates a sealed system. Modern Nissan vehicles from 2020 to 2025 feature highly sensitive EVAP systems that can detect vapor leaks as small as 0.020 inches in diameter within just 2 to 3 drive cycles. This increased sensitivity makes the system more environmentally effective, but can occasionally trigger false positives. The warning is triggered by two main detection methods. First, pressure loss detection monitors vacuum and pressure levels during engine operation. Any loss indicates potential vapor escape. Second, vapor leakage detection measures leak rates using standardized methods and continuously monitors the system while driving. There are three main categories of causes. Improper installation accounts for 40% of cases, including insufficient tightening or cross-threading. Cap deterioration causes 25% of warnings, with rubber gasket cracking being most common, as shown in this image. EVAP component issues account for the remaining 35%, including purge valve malfunctions and charcoal canister problems. When the EVAP system detects issues, it generates specific diagnostic trouble codes. P0455 indicates a large leak, P0456 shows a small leak, P0457 specifically points to a loose or missing fuel cap, and P0442 indicates a small leak in the EVAP system. These codes help pinpoint the exact nature of the problem. Understanding your Nissan's loose fuel cap warning starts with recognizing that the EVAP system is a sophisticated emission control system. Modern systems are highly sensitive, most issues are fuel cap related, and diagnostic codes help identify specific problems. Proper fuel cap installation with 3 to 4 clicks ensures a tight seal. Start troubleshooting by performing a thorough visual inspection of your fuel cap. This simple first step resolves many issues without any tools or professional help. If visual inspection doesn't resolve the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific diagnostic trouble codes. This will help identify the exact nature of the problem. There are three main methods to reset the loose fuel cap warning. Each method has different success rates and is suitable for different situations. If the warning persists after trying these reset methods, professional diagnostic testing may be required to identify leaks in the EVAP system. Smoke testing is one of the most effective professional diagnostic methods, allowing technicians to visually identify even the smallest leaks in the EVAP system. Understanding the success rates of different solutions can help you choose the most appropriate troubleshooting approach for your specific situation. By following this systematic troubleshooting approach, you can effectively diagnose and resolve most loose fuel cap warnings, starting with simple solutions before moving to more complex repairs.